Bwega sana kare muridire wa Meru TV tukwina mbere kwa twicokagira nyuma ya kuraithiria kana nyuma ya kwirezero mantu maingi makoneni na ndawa cia kurima nyuma ya kwina mbere kwa tukirithagiria mantu makoni na urimi na mantu mara mangi twina mbere kwa tukirithagiria gugu ndi na wuma ukwirewa kana kwina mbere kwigukerezagirwa mantu kathumba na indi barabathi ya kugura ndawa na arora rimwe ikathukia mimera itari nkuruki baraba batirikwa baikurukagia ukumenya ikuthina ya mantu mau kana imera bya kwithia na mbere kwigua kiuma katu na mbere kwa twicokagira ukaire ni nyuma ya kwatana na mwiri wa Charity na arakiri Thiri FM emukwemwe kagitania kende twina mbere kwigua twicokagira gaunde studio chetu cha Meru TV kengo twigua tukiaragira mantu mwanya tuwe cha Ramisi twina mbere kwa tukiaragira mantu kathomba tumare mantu makonene na watho sheria na kinya mantu makoni na siasa na mantu mai kathomba na inkuona geni ba kobarinde ni studio ngweti atiba geni kirigo tukainamba kwa tukiwa tene kwandarikika na onere twina cio kengo twigua tukianagira twaronde na bwana Krendi Mujero karibu sana kiongozi bwega kede muridhiro Meru TV kengo tukainamba kwa tukiambagira bwega
bwega thank you nonto ba Meru TV na faminas nonto ba kudatu na kanya kaka na ibwa nonto ba nyamutegerio Meru TV thank you nonto ba this chance buga oni chume ora chumerenge
yes
na kuaume
yes
so thank you nonto ba kwatana tu itaretu ka tureaja na murungu atodari
bwega sana thank you very much uyo ni Jero credible economist tukaina mbere kwa tukitweza mantu kathomba tuma konene na economy na mantu mange kathomba maybe mara tukaina mbere kwa tukirikana namo ndani ya sheria karibu na watu na wakili karibu sana wakili habari ya rukiri
ni njega sana habari kufamina
yes sawa kabisa yes. Na ibwega nontu bakwa twina kinyago ndani studio rukirwe mu kede burithiro Meru TV kengo tukiwa tukiambagire bwega
mugeni ana atikiria kana ni ategerirwo Meru TV betagwa Mwendo wa Kaunyangi wakili ya Jamiru betherwo ndina ofisi aria Think Twice building the second floor ugatirima F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates weja kaire aria kirindine directly opposite gate ya court ukaithira ofisi yetu kaire au F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates na ugatutirima ku na tukaguteria uria tukumba
bwega sana thank you very much watanena na timurithiria kengo tukaina mbere kwa tukiaragira mantu mwanya urukirirwe mundi tukiaragira mantu makonenie na sheria cia ku mantu maminda tukaina mbere kwa tukiaragira sheria cia ku wena into biaku na muno mantu maingi tu maigeni na uchumi na mantu mama maigena sheria koguo ruthuragira uthongi sana watu kaigwa twinaru koguo watanira na ati kengo twigwa tukimenyaga mantu maingi rukirirwa emundi kamba mbere na bwana Njeru muno tukiaragiria kana tukirithagiria mantu makoneni na uchumi bwetu antheguruni ya Kenya kagitania ka na kuringana na bora kwethire tukwina makarika maingi kwethira kwina guntu kwingi sana kwethire tukwina mathina mama minda kwe guntu wakinya utwika minda enu itigatumirwe minda ya thirikari sijui ni atunyanirwe ni sijui ni antu ketha kwina kinya guntu kwina ndoa katika thirikari na antu bongo minda enu atwika eti utumirika utubobu thire tubuge affect hata nthiguru yetu kiuchumi.
Okay, I think the great percentage economy in driver kwa hii manto ya agriculture.
Okay.
Na agriculture either is so much one of the essential element ya agriculture land.
Yeah.
Kana isoe.
Yes.
Utumba kule mwote na muda za kulima. Utumba kudi anything to do with agriculture. Utena land. Na economically watu yekanto batu utumira minda. Then na nuiji nyangi tobira to export aga nuiji tobira tuendagia most of them a greater percentage in fact there are very few things tumba kwa sembo in our country. So we rely so much on agricultural product. Tobira tuendagia ndeguru cia ho. Nyabira tuendagia rokari na waroko markets. Na then ugatuika kwena huge tracts of land unused land. Then of course ika stagnate kana kundrag the economy backward. No ntoria munda jore ojo na magamba na fourth forward tutu tumerwa na munda tutu tumerwa na ndema economically tutikuteithia our great economy nonto either watika kwena wakiria gatwira whenever there is a dispute over any property kana kwena gambarerio ria anything utimuntu thena rutha rutumira mbuga munda jora gomba kutharingi jurungi kikoti jomba kwena onkara magamba jara jakathira ukethira at the end of the day tuge for example imunda orari ajue kemwe na eke uni orari mambuga ni mangunia 20 cia mpempe watuika munda joro jwe na magamba jo tutumirwa neither the government neither the orogo krimunda kana nya between orogo kwenda munda no ngitera asima necessary kwina dispute between the individuals and the government but uketha any time kwina such a thing munda joro jomba okara for a very long time jo tutumirwa na ria jo tutumirwa then gutena economic gain kwethera ria na especially tugitega irore economy yetu ikari na we are not doing well na kwa when there are such things economically we are suffocating we are suffocating our economy.
Okay, bwega sana. Wakili rito kuga muntu ena ownership ya into maybe tuge munda mali na amuji imbi yoyo na geri into bibia mundu kisheria.
So kisheria ubati kwithira ugwete title deed.
Okay.
Lakini itukumenya country yetu kana thiguru yetu ni ndituri process ine places iria nyingi itena title so ni ndi anto be process ine cha kujukia title cha kuandikithia into byao lakini the only document ya ownership ira umba gutumira either kethra in the case ya twina miunda itawa freehold jayo miunda ira irinare anja mundajuro tiri aira watirimire ijwa njenu kana ugurite indi munda utigita wakwe into gitawa rates kana utiri aira rent kana ijwa ku
kinyaminda ni yagirwa rent
sometimes yes okay. Ne dependana na ria mundajwa kuchuri irio ri utona mwinya county government bakiuga bena amnesty ya baria batwire batirite rates kana dependana aria mundajwa kujuri rajuri within municipality kana ka town notrima ibare ya rents kana rates kenda baria bamenya kenda town itumira mbecha iria kureta amenities kuthithathia turuji drainage stima mantu tajau so you find for you to show ownership whether wina title deed whether freehold na whether ija leasehold I lease certificate
so ino tukwariria no ya kurira kakwe okara ya kurira kumba utunyo mundu uyu
ideally teko tunyo pase lakini no kumenya kwe umba kwethira wina nyomera chika accumulate rates ya kuiga accumulate into the millions ugatweka na ndio ugote umba kurea so mundajura jwa kujuka jukua kenda joe ndwa jurea.
Okay.
Teko tunyagwa gutunywa.
All right. Jero akwariria ontubo muhimu sana mantu makoneni na economy. Okay, thira ria kwina cases ino cia munda thirikari na antu na binabi imbi yoye thagora ina thina kagita ka guthagira menda mingi yena magamba. Okay, thira no gwethire rimwe kwina mukuru wa nawe tu atwiraga ukire ntuwe murukire thiete kurima mundu akethira muntu ungi undani na akumuria thira kinya we na title yengi so banjire kuira na mbere na kila muntu ena title na title ino chionde chiukara title genuine legitimate so imbi yoye thagora ina thina ka kwina title maita magana
na ria thina chumaga you find ndio kwira process inira ya adjudication kuita bora monkabu kinyira anto kwewa title so weta narea local land registries so one for example take ankuga example ranka ejana ni ubakari
okay
lakini is an example that I know not to know wetu narea tigania west registry yetu kana kwa land anto betaga uru Kedreja nara roire ukatirima bena adjudication section yao roire roarera. So you find in most cases and very unfortunately bara beki area custodians bara ba title iria ba records iria na banyomere iria they are very corrupt people. Bongo iba kwenda kuia intobia baba bakbati kukareria kana somebody akeja akamurea somebody managed kana with more power akeja amurea akagitaborea so is in my practice especially ile wetigania au kirindene weja mtu no eje office yakwa kwira wakili ndina title yeka 15 juira munda na wete kiratasi ina munda
na title lakini
itina munda akwira juira ground so what they do so if they can do that beja kwa wakili you can bet ibadithagia no inya kwa land so bageta ki register yao ndokwira gathering numbers whatever bagatega kia antu babonde ri no we na inya no te na inya so in most cases they select mtu raba kona mbuga igatindiri kana no mukuru kana imukia gintu jakeu uraba kumenya atimenya ku mount a substantial defense kana kuruira into bya bitigete so most disputes in my opinion jayu tia watiri mantu bena taito ijiri i corruption na kwa lands.
Okay. All right. Bwana credible, I don't know, thirikari yomba kurotha hata gutigira kurwana maybe mantu mama mukona cases ta ino wamba to corruption ino thirikari batiri kweke chwa njira iriku cha gutigira at least ukaraboya no ntuka ya kuraitha bwana Jeru most of the time ndo unity tema kinyantu bakauragana okethera antu bakuragana antu bakurutha kinyama antu matagirite maybe on your view thirikari batiri kurotha hata kuona ikuthiria mantu mamonde.
I think that is what NJC has been fighting for.
Okay.
Kwa sababu tunande corruption is one of the biggest animal in our country.
Yes.
Either economically, kimanto cha sheria, kimanto jonde. The most biggest problem that we have, yes, the most biggest problem kana thenera nene tweneo imanto cha corruption.
Yeah.
Na mbuge kwena ucha inethithagia watuika gwatwa ina corruption cases kana all those things ukoragwa ina brundire nonto nande what happens families kwa jamunda yego kwari ukaja kwethera mbuga mtu atena uwezo indiri kena munda yako eke 10 atena hana bomba kuthingateria munderia kwa nande mtu akweja na taito ndi atena munda ko agachuro akayukia munda ya jure nande ukaimagine generation chia mwekurura nande kuno tuitena uwezo they just kabaura no to mtu samwe we na pesa ciawe ukwenda kujukia that property and in case nyate jo tumira and yabra most of the cases bajo ya munda jara bakairiga nega karnala 15 acres 20 acres uketha mundere eti utumirwa eti munda jomba jukia roni no to mtura na ambes of course eti munda jomba kutumirwa no to ba agricultural activities uketha munda jora is the waste na ana ba mundura bakatangika for suro bakingana na magamba ende yau ketha nyantura rimwe ne andamanire no to kwa mtu aona kuthangi kwa so I think politically we need the leaders, we need streamlining the leadership from top downwards no to yo akiri akuga but we karokari the lower part of the structure in that corruption no mankethere area perpetrated from the top no to I don't see how a junior can perpetrate such a crime in a bigger way that we can support from the top there no to in so many system whether utubara bukudidwa ndegurwaja i system no manka bwite na reflect mwanka na arego na arua kwe mtu monko uragia atire njirene barabara ne twejete ukethra ngari njirene polisi baumire police station in the morning barunga manjirene and there is nothing else they are doing uliona kwa kinya kwena polisi mtu akaita chiringi egana akagwata ngari ali eguru kana akagwata ando je kakurugura mwari polisi akeja mukethi akayukia mbecha and there is nothing else they are doing ngari unyaga tweka inguru ni kamatire kana muchinga kana whatever kana kethetiri undu wothe tena ambrike tena anything they don't care ko umire kumarukiri ejete kujukia mbecha no tiombo mbira mture na courage ya gukarau from morning no to atikumenya antu bara bokuruka njirene mea atiumba kumenya the 100% antu bara bokurukira njirene area but tena courage kuma from morning mwanka evening akijuka ya mbecha ko mtu no mwanka igo kwera na support from the top iketumia atiukira anybody akaya kutwika utena support from the higher office mtura no wakire nya munene wawethere akurukite ni time njirene lakini untu na komea iba karitwe na mbecha mbuga kwena u igwitia system wise mwanka na ari eguru ketumi kwa rena region one of the deputy inspector general akiona ka 25 million a month 25 million ili a month no usually na alaikum nukona so I think the most ketuminya to uganto ba bethe ketumi one of the reason bandamanaga is streamlining the structures of our country is streamlining especially the side judiciary they are doing well, but still we need to do more, such that tutige kuona yeka njara executive in judiciary, such that in judiciary when you have the executive powers, you can no manipulate your way out. Kimanto je judiciary ituone watho bugita ngugora bubatere na kethra butengani tuongere sheria ile igutuma ntobara bakugwato na manto je corruption batwike iba kwa penalize kaiba go punish wabone mwankora tukathirio ntu if we do away with the corruption in our country, then we are done.
Wega sana nengachokera kirugu kirima antu magi seneta ko mtu wako sana seneta maybe ugatwira shirira seneta thetu akikira nondu twithe tukiona kwena thina chemenda especially na miankani Tharaka na Meru gutigira ati kesi ino tukwina mbere kwekiumagira wakili muntu ena kana ukienda gutwika mwene wa gintu I process ile ku muntu atumagira gutigira ati akwigwa ena ownership ya property.
I think kioria kio yaku I too broad. Specify iriria ogura kana iriria ukugitabura
maybe tuge area wa
twist ya kugitabura no ugure no inherit kuma kimuchiari no ugwate kithaka ore antu bagwata mbere indi tha intuga kugwata lakini so iriria chiri other is mostly ni wijire either kugura kana ku inherit so iriria kugura kwe mantu ubati kugitabura utiruma gweta muntu ya kwira tijumda akwira ritambecha nande ya kutharathara wita ritambecha umunenkera ideally nenya clients barabejaga ofisi yetu tunakwenda kugura muda na nakwenda kutumira wakili and I mbera antojo terazima wije keuni lakini please etakiri wakili especially lilo kugura muda nonto ugeta ngiri 10 20 30 40 50 rio kariwa nara kwa wakili gukuthithiria ngugezi will be much cheaper in the long run ngurukia weto gura munda joina mathina na magamba utura court ugatumira mbecha nyingi kiri so ikirambera muguri number 1 due diligence due diligence looks like ugeta ukona munda ugaikwa mundene ugeta ugachwa mwanka ba muntu baraba area ask them history ya kamunda kau if you ukomba in fact arinya na local administration go look for the chief kana area manager wa area umenye history ya munda jo ni atia mtojo gukwira nwe mwene niwe umeauna history ile wei wende hivyo mwaka kwa lands uthithia search utege search kwanagia into bitatu igakonia munda ijwao gitwara mwene igakonia size ya munda na igakonia kithira munda joina encumbrances ni loan mantu tajau so interview bitatu very important mtu no eja konia munda kwira menya ukona munda eka I'm sure munda eka 10 na munda eka 11 ka 12 utegete na metho utemenya jikariomo so mtu no eja kwira munda joni eka 10 ugetoga tirima kumbe ni eka 6 kana something like that na ugurire 10 eka so uka certain uri okwirwa ni ukuri mwene munda size ya munda na kethira munda jo ujwe na nenya jo na magamba ire ronge kini court order chikagwa nara ni ka register kinyumeria so ukithithia search ukamenya kethira munda legitimate kethira munda jo na magamba kethira munda jo tina magamba umau kwe documents ira wetagia mwendia akunenkere kibandi akunenkere pin yewe ya KRA akunenkere passport photographs imbirenge edrona gurene akwe spousal consent this is something antu baba ingi mono borairwa spousal consent ugeto gatirimana na mukuru na mwekurunja kana ene kurunja na agakwenderia munda no temuria mantu just spousal consent kabatethwa baria una mwekuruwe ugeto kagura imagine you go back to court mwekurori achoka court akawe interview inya kujokia loan na mdajorea if you don't do due diligence menya due diligence including mtojo gukwenderia are married no ndo akaja kwithirwa are married ukenda spousal consent na ketha ukenda spousal consent ni bati kwithirwa rio no ndo rira mwekuru uri waka akagutuka ijoenderwe na tenda ajoendwa na teri she'll go back to court na munda jojo gachoka ndo wenderwe tina spousal consent and most people batije mantu tajau na ilio advice ga anto look for an advocate tafuta wakili umlipe na nyani boma unandebo itebo andike agreement again bera ganto ukorogura munda utina agreement inyake sheria ote muntu go protect by the way ote menya gwita court uganda gurire faminas munda ndamunenkera mbecha the first thing ukorwe where is your agreement section 3 ya contract act ikuiraga lazima kedri intoja munda written agreement no agreement ordinarily no the inyavabo lakini mantoja munda lazima kuandikwe na kuena maandiko na weta jokia agreement eku ore ajokia agreement ewe na kwa wakili butigi agreement
all right
then after that with naranto beta bodine you book the board bo the process area and then on a title but due diligence is the most important thing na unio batikwamberia hapo ndo unafaa kuni ukaruma kunenkaneria mbecha ja
mwanki ko uthingatite process ino kwina menda ya gutirwa ino itiganagirwo kethira rimwe yina gamba sijui uyu no atigirwa ari tuyu atigirwa timega ebwega timu mankatagu yari na ukethira kwina ishimbingi sana kiri menda ino ya gutiganwa maybe cases ino bwandura gata ino cha menda ya gutiganwa nera yithiritwe yina ma cases tamam
okay nande menda ya succession utegagare kweginto notega thina ya mantoje to in most cases odila na circumstance cha case ori kari lakini broadly jadha hiyo trima kedha kuna succession issue gatrima ndakachi anjeri itekwenda wrong inapona mimi
exactly
bakauganga Kimiru gitetika iria and but nande twina sheria na mbere ya constitution yetu na mbere ya sheria yetu gutikana gakari na kana gakaije yakinyira kwewa urithi wa muciari
kinyamwari na batiapewa munda
yes
okay
in fact if riria bakeja kwithra ari so radical abati kwewa equal
ala okay
ta mwanoku abati kona equal with the brothers
lakini atiwi kwa mukoro wake kwa na nenda no
kumenya and this is the thing ownership ya ginto ja munda iyaku
okay
na like you have been saying munda is a very big factor of production
yes
na inyoke ja kwithira wina mukoro kwena munda na ate kuandikirite na ari otumenya kujutumira lakini as a wife kana as a woman wethera kwena urithi uritite kwenu okay no wete ukendia munda jori ogatumira
okay
no jori mewengwa kana okajogita buria kana inyoka jokia loan ugatumira lakini again that argument ya kuga nontu mwari akagurwa ageta kwa murume ata nongina ba ojore ojo ngorete nontu nkeja na into biakwa kuma gwetu arongi nabo bateta na bia you see is a self defeating argument in my case in my opinion nontu okaja kwego riuga mwari ati inherit nontu akagurwa nago wenu ati inherit nontu akagurwa ende ogwe muthaka ukagura mwari tuge na umete na urithi kwao ukarega
utirega by the way
is the same thing kote mtu gatunyonge in the long run on to be the rabikariojo na imagine remono eta na okaigwinya mtu akwira kamdaga kaika mami teu no kona mtu ana pride mono especially akwira kamdaka we na koika nyina na mbuga nyina kariterekereithe na like we were saying gote mwana Kamau na mwana ni kesheria mware muthaka same thing wana inherit in the same way lakini nande weta ugatirima tugera nde mbuga some are doing better than others so mwari akauga onire nyante kwenda binge mponia ndomia tuka something token tu ya kusymbolize something kona gintu kuma kimuchiari lakini ideally nyakenda ageta nara kota kaugarenda ikwa koti temenya kumwata
akanenkero iko
akanenkero
ibwe sana kabo yekirego credible nkwengo post kiuri kirego maybe kiri senator watu tika kwena sheria thirito wakirwa na arora ndeni ya bunge gutigira at least thinino cha menda ichikoikithiraga na amenkani and again issue teno ya mwana wa mwari gutuika ati kuona kithaka atuika gutuika mwana muthaka no akubatara kwigwa kiona kithaka. I don't know bura yethiritwe igi affect economy.
Okay, wa mbere our senator never take some several bills he said mbere na ikitie mato jegi kemera
I remember that.
Still in drugs na it is still in the process hopefully it will come to an end na mera everywhere is still in drugs it kemera cash crop ya kawa kana majani kana any other product necokete ikia another bill ya mato jegi autonomy county assembly meru tutrita twina thine we assembly versus executive for 2.5 years Kethra ndi executive ni kwenda assembly meturiria maru nontora wonturiria maru ntikia maendeleo inwa wa na ndi nagere wikia bill iria gatuma kethra nyambe ciri gutumira county assembly ciumage directly from the exchequer igatuika na ndi uma from the executive kaituma na irwamu those are some of the bills ireketie parliament ciotuma manto especially je autonomy many uthiria corruption nonto initially wethera kethra MCA ketha no kwenda anything ketha no kwenda the county assembly itself igatuika ni gwati mateka the executive no mwankethi ore executive kwenda nonto at the end of the day bo baka finance geto mushon kwa uga njarere ekweja bya kurea it can control you na those are some of the things ire perpetrate corruption na ire tumaga twina corruption na tukija mantu ne yuja munda wakili agatwira but I don't think we have insufficient sheria ciige mantu ja miunda ntu ndegwetikia gwe sheria kuga mtu akaewa taito munda juju awejo ntu kuona ja parts ciatigania na parts cia igembe kwina untu antu bateta ito mwanka naru na ndegwetikia kwina sheria ku prohibit that kana ku limit that it is just the corrupt system kuga from the one go if we do away with the corruption our institutions, our economy, our country will stand nega kara ore batere okara if everybody adhirio ra batere na I like the the way they do their things nte wethe bakiba skuma muno bakiberaga just come up with your leadership kenda tumba ukarande guru twarania ndi tukarania nao na bagu gwe leaders be formless but they insist and they say batu tutikwenda leaders bako negotiate for powers because we don't need the powers we just need a working country kana to need the institution iko work manto ja kalora ja batere kwetha tithira chakari so I don't think kwena is sufficient kana ito need even our senator or any other member of parliament to register kana ikia sheria anything irete gutuma institution ikarore kari it's just streamlining our institutions na ingwetekia wakili will confirm we have sufficient laws sufficient policies sufficient rules iwetekeria miunda kama to yera jakadura jabatere kwa jakari it's only that we have a corrupt system or corrupt individuals in those system then again kwena manto ja rena miunda I advocate for that kwa sababu dhaingete especially in our lives today with so much hardship in economy antu vena stress nyingi muno lifespan nyane yana mire and you never know mtu na kwa mari ndivyo na kara 15 years na boga separate imbonete antu ba separate even at 50 years na 60 years it do happen na ukaja kuthara ndiwe mwari no urerwe bokara 50 60 years ukuwa no baka no kuona mtu atigerie gukujukia ngike kugera gitangine ndo gatiko kwana ukuwa no wane kwenu na kukwana kwenu gutimu munda jorio gutini thing na tugire yo kutukuga it is the most basic factor of production abo age into bingi byo ndende wethere wina munda na ndo gwatuika bugo separate in such situation ndo tena gintumba kwethera bigwetie then it's a problem then again you need to feel even in that household kanyombera ukaigwa wani wina gintu gyako tironde withira me sometimes as men I don't know whether it's nature no kubo batauma kakune kara katene ka njogo wanawika na kila wakati ni kuika from morning to even na akadra na ndio you situation ni otikyo we desperate to be there muntu nande kwenu otikyo we nakyo bauma otikyo ukaigwa nande atoka ankale aja turereana and that is a very dangerous situation ya mtu gukara nuntu bwa tinonto you need to live in that family ule kara in that family nonto kwena something else ukuona nandi otige gakua ana batigwa batekara bwega ana batigwa ngante kwenda barerwa step mother ana batigwa nte kwenda it is a very bad situation yegutuma in a marriage nonto you are desperate so you need to have something omba ku hold on na utuweke ole ale nonto the marriage is working.
Alright.
You are not there because you are in a desperate situation. But we have experienced a challenge. I don't know, maybe we can advise our sisters. Kana bongo baka develop that thing nonto munda you to get it's a factor of production. You are either whatever you produce it, you do production yourself in that land. Kada ikorema kedra imato yangi ukadiria munda nejura ukandi value. But you can go into produce in that land. Kana munda jure nyano ujo ijo aktaja as a security no urombe na jurun no urombe na ju no ere muntu nyende na munda jo kwatera taito mpangirie kana ingwa na kuthithia ABCD ugatweka na nde jo gutetheria kuona mbeca ciumbo gutetheria kuthithia
1 2
kuthithia kauntu kuthithia production and what have you but in 90% of our sisters 90% wakili will confirm in most of the cases you ndere adjudicated ya ladies ugatigirwa munda maybe nyako kagairwa na ndakachien ukendia na culturally there is a sensitive thing with ancestral land kubo gatiendete kuo mukuru nyoku ya miaka na ntena gatiga wenya mundu la jojo karwenu nondu kwe culturally kwe gintu kithakirio gya kwendia gintu gya gutigirwa ukona na 90% withara kabendagia na inya 90% u 80% ye 90% u bendagia withara economically batetethekaga muda jora nande mea ugatwika family zora manager ngiri gana kana ngiri 20 ukendia gintu kya milioni imwe USD gintu twita windfall kampesa cia windfall ite banganiritu gintu mbupa kuma ankajukia 500 in the guru 500 ya I'm bound to waste it. Anto bauga munda jwa ancestral land kajwe kirumi ndite kirumi. Inde mtu ra wendagia me withara mtu amenyeretie ukona 10 20,000 ukwendia munda jwa million. What do you do with 1 million? Menya inendaga asiunguru economically ketha ikabiashara wambirie kangirie 10 gekura gekinya 20 gekinya 30 nyagwe capacity ekue kumanage mbeca ira ni gwite gikura ou gikinya milioni imwe capacity ekue control million ni nganire and you be able to manage that 1 million well but ile umire ki ngiri 10 waruma kwendia munda jwa 1 million na nkro 1 million uketha at the end of the day 80% of those people they waste that money ko ukino nande economic value ile kwenda kwande to this lady ikaura ukeja kwithira ndi nya culturally ile kwenda kurigiria eja kuma maybe bakeja go separate bakeja kuthithia bora kethe na somewhere to London bando still achoka in the same state ile okari
bwega bwana credible wakili njero kware into sensitive muno minda ya succession eno ya gutiro mtu nwendie na kesi ya igamba kwina njambe wetu matu aritwana roithete na ante chetembeni bwega matu kiuragia atiri igamba ria munda riumba ukara kagita kaganata koti.
It is very unfortunate that court chetu chiri understaffed.
Okay.
So you ogatirima constitution yetu ya 2010 ni athithirie a specialized court itawa environment and land court lakini ria yambiririe kwari na backlog kesi chengi yoyo mwanga kwethira kwena need ya courts ku gazette some of the magistrates amba kuthikira ma kesi ja miunda I can't actually tell inadependaga na the nature of the dispute lakini on average I think roughly between 3 to 7 years.
Okay.
Sometimes. Lakini by the way kwa kesi I have worked on a file. Ya mbere dispute mtetiari.
Wow.
Actually there is one and I found it very funny. On my actual birthday, ira mukuru waandika baruga ya complain about mtu utonyete mndene jwawe. Mtu kwera ndachiarago.
Yes. Wow.
And as recently as 2 months ago, it was in a case of court tikania ara kirindini.
Wow.
So ne dependaga na nature ya nyomeria ya the dispute.
Okay.
Na nyomeria sometimes ugatirima for very different factors ugatirima case it could delay court. One, the biggest one is the underfunding ya court. Ugaeta narua ukaambire kithiri hearing narua wathiria narua the next day tukona yomba kwithirwa next year tuge July.
Okay.
Especially places ira chire busy like ja Nairobi, I think Milimani thai buga diary cha court cha Milimani chikinyete 2026.
Wow.
Almost 2027. Na we mention date okwewa. Weta mention date area ori ongibo kugamba no eje we are ready. Ade. So sometimes if the courts barega ko manage nyomere area bwega kana tuge wowe a litigant tutegwa for wakili okweta na area court no. Procedure uga unanona na mantu jaja ukuruka please do something. Case you they can drag on forever and ever.
All right. Bwega mantuma kwendia kithaka kia kana land ya gutirwa no yendwe.
Yes.
Okay.
You see, the minute wanenkero intobiria na biatonya rietwe neraku and it's legitimate. Nobody can tell you what to do with your land.
Okay.
Iyo goka amua kethia gukwenda kwendia. Kana oro kagitabura but as he said okay ndia ethira wena at least a plan. No wethirwe gutumira mndajore is not viable to you non to buga we kuraja. Lakini no wendie mndajore ukagura mndajore akwina ugwe kana mbeche ile ugatumira to do something else. Okay ndia too for the sake of kwendia kana even with women remoni weta and I find this very unfortunate. Some of our brothers kana our husbands our mtu akaigwa intimidated mwekoro wethre na gintu kira jamunda. So ugatirima mtu akaera mwekoro kamda kara genu endia umpembecha. Please don't do that. Especially kedre imend ukunenkera mtu mbecha itina plan akwera chiri tojo nona to do something nekaryo use some discernment ukaruma kunenkanira gintu gya kuja mwanki just because ibugorene na mtu na numwetikia na kuonya ka plan kana nya kedre kwendia akakwera tu endia kenda withdraw tina intobira kana endia rewo munenkera mbecha alafu
all right bwe kire kirende ona kirua how can Chamazol Group legally own land and what documents should they have?
Okay, no ba own land, but I advise kedreja about bachama, but ba incorporate a company. Now, as a ba the company, a company can buy land. So they can incorporate a company, and the company ile kagura munda. Ira kairo title yetu eneleayo nonto sheria netekeritie kampani kwithirwa ina title.
All right kana nonto kwa time kuongea kuletia au yeterere ntikumenya kana kwina sheria tino lakini kwina sheria chiimbia New Land Registration Act akaudia chithiri to affect hata ownership na transfer ya menda Kenya.
Kuna New Land Registration Act lakini kuna Land Act.
Okay.
Na as I was saying ko gitaburia ugatega uria mtu uria acquire that property kethia kagurite is a bit straightforward ageta tu akanenkirwa title we kethira ije ungukwira cha kugwata miunda ikwethera kwina ni New Land Registration Act kwina cap 283 na cap 284 kuna Land Education Act I think ni wingi ngorira kidogo but iwi chochi gitabura miundere tira gitabura monkarira joka gitabura jona title joka ejanda regime ya the Land Act.
All right. Bwega sana. Thank you very much Murithiri wa Meru TV kwina mantu maingi sana makone na minda na tutima alimo thia tukamari no ngatwa kinya monkaru utha inyanya na bakurutha ingwiti ya wakili akaina mbere kwa gitu yaga namba yake wina mantu mame ninkomya kwina antu baingi sana atule kinyaritwa na giegoro bakambira bena cases na mantu maminda na benge kwa bakimenya mantu maingi makone na minda na ownership ya land ngwiti wakili akaina mbere kwa gitu neka namba yake na naragomba kumukinyira kengwa kwereza mantu maingi makonenie na mantu ma ownership of land komenya nishu yethiritwe egichumbura sana lakini wala nena wakili akaina mbere kwigwa agiruteragira bwana Njero migambo ya muthia tukirikiri no tuba time.
Okay, thank you so much. No tuba mo raitheri wa Meru TV na Meru TV no tuba host in this place na no tuba kanya kara tu twina no tutoreareje mato jamunda au just encourage our sisters kwa sababu no sheria chikubete kile chikubada the chance which is very good. I would also advocate no tunyaba brothers ibadithagia ku sometime yo akiria kuga when we purpose to dispose that asset na twabanga kwendia munda itutige kwendia just for the sake of doing it tukanywa tukauga munda jwe kirumi kinandi at the end of the day watuika economically we have not gained anything na ura jurari jo tutethie tutethie tiga twendie munda twena good brand na tena sade no turazimenya twendie munda kenda no kwenda 500,000 wena munda jo wote milioni 1 million instead ya kwenda munda kenda ona 500,000 menya wena munda jo na title era no bank yo kai warunu ukajija with 500,000 whatever you wanted to do with it kenda 500,000 jero rije itithia ngugi yumba kuenjereriti mbeca then ukanjereriti mbeca ukiria pole na asset iketherere wale tuketha tuyuri mathugana ya kudispose asset every time that we need money.
Wega. Thank you very much for coming. Wega sana. Bwana Njiru no ntuba kuona kanya kiango tuiwa tukiana wakili mega mumwe tukirikiria na maybe namba kuna ntu ambao ukuona na kengo ntu baraba na biurete hivyo mbako baye ukinyagira na botethaniria.
Okay. Ntu bara mpenda kuira mtazamaji ikwetherwa munda is a very emotive issue. Mantu jaivoka very serious and very deep emotions kirianto either maruru kana ruritho kana mantu tajaria so ukeja kwethira kwina dispute ya munda I urge and I advise look for an advocate twa wakili ogwetekia mtu gukuthikira mtu ukumenya na mtu ukumenya akagu take seriously na mantu jaku akajekira nkorone tafuta wakili enda eleza wakili wako na gintu kingi kira mpenda kwira mtu ro gututekera process yonde ro kathithia ya munda especially barabe na mantu jatira mbiri ya batirathia adjudication and whatever wetogura wethra ukonwa munda jwaku I would advise and advocate always guraga uketherwa wena map ya aria munda jwaku juri ukagura area map no kathithia search ugakaraga na interview no into sometimes je ungo kwira mtu neja office kana geta another office then a title ya 10 acres in land agachwa mtu kumusumpa imposira so baketa bagachange nyama po tiji by the time uka realize map ni change rwe otena interview kwa ni court map yaku ni change etwe so please everything you do document documents ya kukwa especially map cha munda wenda ko tokinyera namba cheto cha thimu kana woni ni 0729 049 262 message thimu WhatsApp utatupata pale Facebook ukatutrima F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates tore area na location Jokeria Kaire think twice area opposite Maguna senyombere toirere uchumi second floor ukethra F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates au Meru weja nara kirindine directly opposite gate ya court ukethira na kukaire F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates karibuni sana tuwahudumie.
Wega sana. Thank you very much wakili pia nuntu wa kuona kanya kuya akengo tuwe tukianagiria na ngwetegia wo murithiro wa Meru TV ukurithite mubango uyu rukirirwe mundi okuina mbere ko kiwataga mantu makathumba burai na mantu maisho chamenda nambi kinyera wakili na akaina mbere kwigwa agiutelagiria antie na bonge twera wa mwarecho ndati matugo kuina mbere kwange kwiraga wewe na kagita kega bara tuthite na ara kwa brother Kirore wa Stella aturikana na arora tu watanire kunogokia mami wake na kinyago na kunde ukaina mbere kugitindaga twakwendera tuntu embega yorotani thambe mwene nyamurungu kuma kiretio kirego tuwakwera tinda boya kadira bambetane family zo kimathi rutiwarungi Ramsey Alex ebo bakurerekere beturukirirwa imundi good day.